The other thing is, you know, for either of you is potentially to like do some ads. You know, it does work.
That's what I was going to ask about Facebook ads.
Do you know anything about
Facebook ads?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. So what you do is you firstly don't do it through Instagram. Don't press the boost button.
No.
That's terrible. Because you can't do anything. Okay. So instead, you go to Ads Manager on Facebook. You sign up there, and then you can basically you can pull everything in. Meaning you can like choose, you know, you want to go for women that let's just say 25 to 35 based in this location.
How effective is it?
Very, very good, because if you know
Facebook ads is the one.
Because if you know how to, you know, if you can essentially, because you can target your perfect customer through a machine. Because otherwise, at the moment, you guys are hoping the right person comes along, and unfortunately, like that's leaving it to chance.
Of course it is.
But some people get lucky. Let's just say like how Grace is, right? She's got like 95% girl following, and they're all like 18-year-old girls that go to uni. So that's just luck that you've managed to build an audience which is so exact what you need. But for most of the people, you've got to like find your audience or know how to target your audience. Similarly, like to why any brand is, when you get their promotion hit you, they're targeting you for that reason. So what you do is
to get a website rebuilt and have, let's just say for example, also do like a beginners, medium and advanced package on there with online coaching, I could then promote my website through Facebook ads so people would go there.
Yeah, so what you can do is you can launch them, you can do story videos, Instagram story ads work, Facebook ads, you can do like, hey guys, what's up? You know, are you a new guy in the gym struggling, blah blah blah. These ads work. You know, like you must have seen Kino Body's ad ever? Yeah. The guy that's like the mansion, and he's like, I have the secret that all Hollywood actors do. Yeah. So you have to make it so cringy. You can actually make best ads are like this. You'll be like, what's up guys, my name is Romain. You know the number one thing that people do wrong when trying to like thingy is this. So the number one thing guys get wrong trying to build chest is this. I have 3 things that they can do which will fix this. So straight away you're like, here's a problem that you're as a viewer, oh yeah, I'm facing this problem. Or here's 3 things I can try, like, oh I never thought of those. And then like one could be the way you do your exercises can completely change your progress in the gym, let's just say. Yeah. You give them, so you basically, you address a problem that you know that a person is having. And there's so many in fitness, right?
Millions.
And go gym 6 times a week, still no difference in muscle, you know, and nothing happens. These are 3 things you can do to fix it. And guys, if you, on my website, there's loads more of this, go check it out. Like, you know, like friendly stuff.
Yeah.
And then it's up to the person to go into the website and be like, I don't like this. Then what you can do, you can then retarget the person that came to your website with another ad that he'll get randomly. So the next time he's on YouTube, he'll get an ad. But he got this ad because he's already been on your website. And that one could be like, hey man, it's me, Romain again. Do you remember like I gave you this advice like not long ago? Just to let you know, here's other 5 things. And you know what? I'll give you a discount code. You can just say the discount code. It's like whatever. And if you go now, you can get it. So he's someone that he's already seen you. He'll remember if you reference the old ad, and then you're sending him a new ad to be like, now buy. Basically, there's literally, that's one example. So what it's called is you can create your own audiences, custom audiences. Basically, if you want to make money, there's a way to do stuff. It just doesn't happen by chance. You got to basically, it's a lot of work and there's a lot of strategy and there's a lot of like putting the right tools in place and everything like, you know, working. And then it's just about pumping money in. So, you know, if you know it costs me £9, because you know how much it costs for someone to like view your ad, you know how much it costs for someone to get to your website. So that someone to view the ad is costing you £2 per person, let's just say. Someone getting onto your website, because only some will go, it's costing me £9. But then only some will buy, so imagine it costs you £12 to make a sale, but the sale is for £30. It's a profit. So then once you got that working, then the more money you put in, the more sales you'll get. Of course, after a bit, the ads get stale, blah, blah, blah. You got to refresh things, you got to change the keywords, but then it's an ongoing game of every 2 weeks, every month sitting and, okay, this ad's not working, this is working, this is working, this is not working, let me change it, let me shoot this one again, or let me do this one again, or let me make a better ad now. So that's it. So people that make loads of money is because they're running ads to make, you know, that Kino Body guy, he makes millions and millions and millions. The other guy that you might see a lot is like Ty Lopez, the guy with the Lamborghini. He made 100 million last year. You know, it's because through ads and because he sells courses.
I did say the other one.
So this is a whole different strategy to the general strategy that I'd be a big Instagrammer, YouTuber with loads of viral content, which is like extremely tough, right? So you've got to a certain position that already, if I was a guy that doesn't know you and come across you, I'd be like, oh shit, he's got loads of followers. He clearly is somebody that I should trust. Because right, at the end of the day, it comes down to followers, right? If you have 4,000 followers, you're like, oh, he's shit. Like, I don't know to him.
10,
You know, it's just social currency, right? Like the amount of followers. But you need to build a business around that now. Instead of chasing more followers, there's going to be nothing different if you have 600,000 followers. Nothing will change. Or even 800. Like, nothing will change in reality. Maybe you can charge brands more, but that's really about it.
It's what you can give to people, isn't it? And what they can learn from you, I guess.
Yeah. But it's about like, that's something, if you can set up these ads and these different methods and then use your name and who you are and package it into these ads and sell products, like that's what's going to work.
So is Facebook as something we can go home later and pretty much pick up, like if we...
It's going to take a while to pick it up, but we'll put the time in. We'll just have to learn it and we'll have to